Hey everyone, Amtrak and C6 here, and I think we got my friend. It was 63, was 98, close to like 1240. I heard 98 got a new horn recently because I saw it on other channels, and its horn sounded different than the last time I saw it. You'll hear it when my friend hits it for real. It's gonna probably sound different than the last time I caught this unit on the Maple Leaf and on 88 and on the 48. And that was the friend who just spoke on the radio.